This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a frame for a sketch. First, gather your materials, including wood strips, a miter saw, wood glue, and clamps. Measure your sketch's height and width precisely. For a sketch measuring 8 by 10 inches, you will need 2 pieces of wood 10 inches long and 2 pieces 8 inches long, accounting for the frame's width. Remember to cut all ends at a 45-degree angle for perfect corners. Now, let's assemble the frame. Apply a thin, even layer of wood glue to the 45-degree mitered edges of each wood piece. Carefully press 2 pieces together to form a corner, ensuring they align perfectly. Use a corner clamp or a strap clamp to hold the pieces firmly in place while the glue dries. It's crucial to let the glue cure for at least 24 hours to ensure a strong, lasting bond. Once the glue is fully dry, it's time for the finishing touches. Sand the entire frame with fine grit sandpaper until it is smooth to the touch. You can then apply your desired finish, such as paint, wood stain, or a clear varnish to protect the wood and enhance its appearance. Finally, carefully place your sketch into the frame, ensuring it is centered. Secure it with small brad nails or flexible framing points. For the final step, let's add the hanging hardware. If using D-rings, attach one to each side of the frame, approximately 1/4 of the way down from the top edge. Then, thread picture wire between the 2 D-rings, leaving a slight slack. Alternatively, a sawtooth hanger can be centered at the top back of the frame. Always double-check that all hardware is securely fastened before hanging your beautiful, newly framed sketch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.